Your gut health plays a vital role in your overall well-being. The gut is not just responsible for digestion, it also impacts your immune system, mental health, and even your skin. When your gut isn't functioning properly, it can send out warning signs. Here are the top 7 signs of poor gut health that you should never overlook. Frequent digestive issues. If you often experience bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea, it could be a sign that your gut is out of balance. These symptoms suggest that your digestive system is struggling to process food effectively, leading to discomfort and irregular bowel movements. Unexplained fatigue. Feeling constantly tired, even after a good night's sleep? Poor gut health might be the culprit. An unhealthy gut can affect your ability to absorb nutrients from food, leaving you feeling drained and lacking energy. Sugar cravings. Strong cravings for sugar and processed foods can indicate an imbalance in your gut bacteria. Harmful bacteria thrive on sugar, and when they outnumber the good bacteria, your body may crave more sugar, leading to a vicious cycle. Unintentional weight changes. Sudden weight gain or loss without any changes in your diet or exercise routine could be linked to your gut. An unhealthy gut can interfere with your body's ability to store fat and regulate blood sugar, leading to unexpected weight changes. Skin problems. Your skin reflects the health of your gut. Conditions like acne, eczema, or rashes can be signs that your gut is inflamed or not functioning properly. Poor gut health can cause toxins to build up in the body, which can then be released through the skin. Frequent infections or illnesses. A large part of your immune system resides in your gut. If you find yourself getting sick often or struggling to recover from illnesses, it could be due to an imbalanced gut that isn't supporting your immune system effectively. Mood swings or anxiety. The gut is often referred to as the second brain because it produces many of the same neurotransmitters, like serotonin, that regulate mood. Poor gut health can disrupt the production of these chemicals, leading to mood swings, anxiety, or even depression. How to improve gut health? If you recognize any of these signs, it's important to take steps to improve your gut health. Here are a few simple tips. Eat more fiber. Foods rich in fiber, like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, feed the good bacteria in your gut. Drinking plenty of water helps your digestive system function properly. Limit sugar and processed foods. These can harm the balance of bacteria in your gut. Consider probiotics. Probiotic supplements or fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut can help restore healthy bacteria. Poor sleep can negatively impact your gut health, so aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night. Your gut health is a key indicator of your overall health. By paying attention to these signs and making simple lifestyle changes, you can improve your gut health and, in turn, your overall well-being. Don't overlook the messages your body is sending you. Take action to support a healthy gut today.